Yeah, we trying to figure out how to work our washer, because our last washer was like simple and shit. So I should know how to work this because my mom had something like this, but I also didn't do laundry at her house, so I don't know. Liquid, remove tray for powder. That's that main wash. We're about to do our first load of laundry in our new home. And we have a lot of laundry. Like, we have this full bag that we need to get through. So we're gonna start washing some loads tonight.
This shit was crazy.
So that's one of the perks of Lance's job. Like, he works on houses and stuff like that. He always come across like appliances, new appliances, old appliances, whatever. This, yeah, so
He's saying it was new.
he's seen it in the house.
Yeah, he's saying
So yeah, so who he worked for, his boss who he worked for, saw it in a house and knew we were moving and stuff. So, and they had told him that we were looking for a washer and a dryer, and he kept it for us and let us have it, and it's so nice. Like, it's literally like brand new looking. When we got it, it had a little dust on it, but that was about it. Lance had to go because it was sitting in a garage. So, like, it hadn't really been used, and they said a long ass time, or it was only used a few times. And we just had to get some cords and stuff to make it work, and yeah. It is 2 dressers. I don't know if I'm gonna put them side by side or if I'm gonna put one under the TV and one by that window that y'all see way back there. So let me tell y'all. Y'all may be like,
I'll be doing all of this house. I'm supposed to be working.
Who the fuck you think you talking to?
I'm gonna tell y'all, like, I was trying to slap box. I asked Lance to slap box me, and he was all like getting all scared and shit. And it's like, no. So I was trying to like egg him on. I'm like, you gotta learn to stand up for yourself. So I'm trying to teach this little nigga, you know what I'm saying? And I went to slap him, and Dak's toy was in the middle of the damn floor, and we don't have carpet. So when I stepped on it, I slid, and my knee like bent all the way back. I immediately just went to the ground. I was literally almost in tears. I thought I broke my knee. Like, I thought I broke something. That's been about 3 or 4 days ago, and it still hurt. I can't really like bend on my knee like that. So that's why y'all gonna see me struggling to get up. So this is a color. I just thought it matched our bed. Yeah, I thought it matched our bed pretty or whatever. I told y'all, and then y'all see his carpet in his area is gray. Like, we just can't, I don't know what's been up with us in this gray color. all the drawers. Well, I did 3 out of 4 of them by myself, but I think I messed this one up because the bottom part is like sliding so easy. And
Remember, you ain't got the rails on.
but I guess because I ain't put the rails thing on there yet. I figured we would do that when we finna put the drawers in, but I'm probably gonna go ahead and start doing it. It's kind of tall, so yeah. Good morning, guys. It is the next day, and this is the first dresser that we have so far. It's tall. I was worried about it being kind of short, but it's tall and it's cute. I think it'll match our room real good. It's about like 3.5 feet, so almost 3.5 feet. So it's nice. It'll fit right up on our TV. And then we got this one to put together today. I may start putting the dresses together because yes, your girl did put the dresses together all except one because he had to show me first. And then he put the rest of it together because I was kind of like over that shit. And I didn't show my face right now, y'all, because again, I look like who done it and why. Yeah, so we got 2 more packages today. We got, what's this? This is the entertainment center. Must be, well, it ain't no entertainment center, just a TV stand. I don't like how everything look black brownish. Like, I be picking black, but to me it looks black brownish. And then we got Daxter's dresser for his room. And that's old stuff over there, so. And then Thursday we got Daxter's. And then Thursday we got Daxter's bed. So yeah. I'm not messing with trying to put nothing else together, so Lance about to do that while I go finish folding clothes, maybe editing this other video, and then I'll show y'all how it looks. It's done. That don't look as tall as I thought it was gonna be.
What the hell is that?
Oh, it slides? Just to finish it. Well, it looked black on the camera, but well, in person it looked like black brown to me. I don't know. My fucking eyes, but I don't know. This slides. It's all chipped up and stuff. Cut down now. I guess it looked like on camera. But there are scratches and stuff all on it. Like that white thing right there. Yeah. That's a scratch. Yeah, that's a scratch. This probably gonna be some like temporary. I'm already trying to think of what else I can put up there in a few months.